Mill a sacrificial flat at C0. Here's the steps involved. You need to have a milling tool in your head 1 spindle. Next step is you're going to go into jog mode, and you need to have milling selected. And you need to push that button right there. Now you can press the forward button, and that'll turn on our spindle. Currently it's spinning right now at 718, but if you hit the plus button here, you can ratchet that up. You can see that every time I press it, it's ramping up there. For this tool, around 3,000 is plenty good. Now next step is, I want to rotate the C axis on head 1. So I'm going to have it on C. I'm going to press that right there. Now you can see on my machine coordinates and absolute coordinates, when I rotate the knob, I'm actually spinning the C. And if we look inside the machine, we can see that as well. So I want to position it at a spot where it's at C0. Just about there. Okay, I'm in the smallest possible increments, and I can't quite get to 0, but that's going to be close enough for our purposes. So now we're going to switch it to Z-axis. We're going to move our milling tool over. We'll bring it down close to our part. I'm going to do a quick splash of coolant so we can see a little better here. Okay, so we're going to get a little closer. Bring down an X a little bit more. And we are going to move it off in Y, because we're going to mill across in Y. Alright. It should be just deep enough. Oh, need to go a little bit further and use Z in order to do it. And then a little bit next. Okay, now I want to move across some Y. We have just a small flat. We can stop our spindle right here. Then we can open our door. And we got a nice little flat here that we can reference on the sub spindle when we go to indicate.